Welcome back to Creatober Day 25. Today I'm designing a retro-futuristic poster inspired by old illustrations from what people thought the 2000s would look like. This was a particularly difficult challenge for me since I've never done anything in this style except for photo manipulation. But I wanted to do this painting in Photoshop, which I found harder than expected. I tried many different approaches such as designing buildings in 3D and drawing out shapes in Illustrator and using brushes to shade them. I didn't have time to add in details, and at this point I was also hesitating to start completely over and do the same poster but in a collage style. But in the end I felt like finishing what I started, and the end result is kinda okay, I guess. Not my best work, but also not my worst. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description down below.